Permacon, the largest manufacturer of concrete products for the landscaping and masonry industry, is pleased to present this video clip that will explain the easy steps to completing your own landscaping project. Build a raised urban garden quickly and easily with a planter wall block. No digging required and multiple configurations possible. You can also create outdoor furniture with this innovative block. Here are the steps for installing a planter wall block garden. Before starting your project, ensure to obtain the following equipment from your renovation center. Start by placing the first planter wall block. Place a second planter wall block. Slide a wooden board that is 2 inches by 6 inches by the length of the desired garden bed. Place a third and fourth planter wall block. Slide in the wooden boards. Check that your perimeter is square by measuring the distance between the blocks diagonally. Both distances should be equal. Place a second planter wall block on the first one. You can stack up to a maximum of 3 planter wall blocks. To ensure greater stability, we recommend gluing the blocks. Make sure the blocks are properly aligned. Slide in the subsequent wooden boards. Check that your perimeter is square. To check that your garden bed is level, use the leveling tool on each side. To reinforce a structure, insert rebar into the designated hole in the blocks. To prevent the soil from draining, installing a geotextile membrane is recommended. Using a staple gun, affix the geotextile to the top of the wooden boards. Install 2-inch by 8-inch by the length wooden capping units to add the finishing touch. Screw in using the appropriate screws. Complete your project by adding a planting soil mix. Your raised urban garden is now ready to receive your selection of plants. Permacon thanks you for using our products. Visit our website, oldcastlearchitectural.ca, to discover our range of products.